error-free, simple paperwork, and it also says
God, please.
no weird clauses, right?
I'll answer this. Agents.
Okay.
Agents, buyer agents, get your shit together. Honestly, learn how to write a freaking offer. I honestly cannot tell you the shit ass offers we've seen over the years. Like, I don't think these people know what they're doing. I'm embarrassed that there's agents running around submitting paperwork they do. You cannot come in a multiple offer scenario and have errors in your paperwork or submit on the wrong forms or have mistakes or send it in like 17 different PDFs. And it's not all rolled into one. It's not in order. There's missing signatures. No, this is bullshit. You want to come in with a clean offer that is error-free, not one single mistake at all. I'm talking like not one missed T and not one missed dot on an I. You want it to be perfect because we want the seller's agent and the seller to look at it and be like, I just want to accept it as is. I don't want to have to put pen to paper on this.
Take away all the friction possible.
Totally.
Yeah.
We've seen like some of the offers we've seen come in. They're not even legal documents.
I don't even know what they are.
I've seen Corey. Corey's really good with the red lines, like grade 4. Corey just sends back these offers to agents, and it's just they're redlined like everywhere, like X's and scratch. And I'm going,
resubmit.
Oh, how
fix this?
How
and
embarrassing
resubmit.
to have to send that to your client. Like we had one scenario where an agent, we were selling a condo, and an agent didn't even submit it on a condo APS AREA form.
It's mind-blowing.
Imagine having to go back to your client and just be like,
Oops,
yeah,
I put
sorry.
this on the wrong form?
I used the wrong form. Yeah.
It's so
with
brutal.
your hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars. I can't even figure out which form to use. It is embarrassing. And to call it a dog's breakfast would be an insult to dogs.
Oh, totally. And the other thing that we do at Fox Marin for our buyers is when we're submitting in a multiple offer or any scenario is that we send the agreement of purchase and sale to another agent and one of our admin to review for this very reason. So we put a second set of eyes on it. Can you make sure this is 100% perfect? Because you don't want to make a mistake on it. You want it to be perfect. Go ahead.
We call it the 6. It's when you see an email that comes through on your inbox at Fox Marin and you see title 6 eyeball rule, it's going out to another agent and an admin on our team
to make sure it's perfect.
To make sure it's perfect.
I even want
it is a legal document.
I want your clauses also to make sense. Like sometimes people put them in this weird order. Like I'm like, no. Do you not learn in your real estate school? You put your clauses in order of importance and priority. Like not all scattered and you put the most important thing at the very end. You put it in order. Like, oh my gosh. Anyways, I could go on a whole episode just about this. So buyers, if you're not working with our team and you're working with another agent, please make sure they're competent. When it comes to just the fundamentals of putting together a good offer package, it makes a huge difference in you standing out in the crowd.
Absolutely. Endear yourself to me as the listing agent and you may be rewarded. Make this easy for me. Yes. That's what we want as listing agents.
Yeah.
Make it, give us the confidence to proceed on working with you.